Hi guys, how are you? So today we are going to discuss what is your current problem. I am here to give you a customized solution to your current problem. Okay, so let us see what is my current problem. If you can see me, I have gained a considerable amount of weight in this lockdown. Okay, and my current problem is I'm constantly pondering in my head. I want to lose that extra kgs that I've gained. You can see there are chubby cheeks over here, which were not there in previous videos. So yeah, that is my current pain. Now current problem, how will I solve it if I have to make a strategy in my head? Okay, so my strategy in my head is right now, did I do this before? Yes, I did it. Is there a success story? Yes. So according to you, whatever your current problem is, write down what success story you have you had a success story in solving that problem in past? If yes, then write down how did you solve. Now that becomes your current strategy. For those people who do not have a success story in past for the problem, this is a brand new problem that you're facing and you're overwhelmed with, you're just not understanding how to deal with it, then let us go to that topic later. For now, have a strategy in place previously how you have solved. Now if you do not know how to solve that at all, then identify who is that role model of yours, who is that one person that you idolize in this area who has solved this problem for himself or herself or for multiple people in the world. Okay, once you identify that role model who has worked on this problem on himself and is helping others, or at least have solved this problem for themselves, then identify what is the belief they are working on, what is their belief behind working on that problem. Like if I want to lose weight, I'll refer to my coach who taught me how to lose the weight. So I'll identify what is the belief of my coach behind losing weight, and that's how I will imbibe that belief inside me. So once my belief is in alignment with the belief of my ideal person, of my role model in that area, then that's going to keep me motivated to start the journey. Now once you start the journey, like in my case it might be weight loss, for your case it might be the current problem solving journey. Okay, so once you set out on the journey, consistency is going to be a bigger problem, because the bigger the goal, the more the consistency is required. So to help you deal with those consistency problems, now go ahead and understand what is the purpose behind solving the problem. For me, losing weight, the purpose behind losing weight is that I can play more enthusiastically with my children. I'll not get tired. I'll feel more energetic in being with the kids even after working for long hours. So that's my purpose behind being fit and healthy and losing some weight. So what's your purpose behind solving your current problem? Attach a purpose to your goal. Once you have this purpose attached to whatever you're solving, the kind of problem that you're solving in your life, that will help you be consistent while you're achieving your goals in the solving the current problem. So your assignment for the today is identify your current problem and work on only on that problem for next 3 months. Deal? Let me know in the comments what is the problem that you're going to solve for yourself. All the best.